for which knowledge of the self and power of the self is the tool which can transform an ordinary man to become extraordinary. It is a fact that if an individual is happy with himself, the family, and the society, the nature also blesses him with peace and abundance. Well, as per a recent report of Secretary General, International Model, United Nations 2019, the basic principles of harmony with nature recognize that international community must devise a new model of sustainable production, consumption, and economic growth to meet the needs of present and future generations. Earth's bounties are finite, which calls for the development of different and ecologically conscious economic model to meet the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals, keeping in mind environmental concerns by linking development to sustainability. As per Antonio Guterres, Secretary General of the United Nations, there is urgent need to transform our relationship with nature risks being overlooked amid the huge suffering inflicted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Healthy and biologically diverse ecosystem can survive species shock like droughts, fires, illness, etc. In the same way, mixed ethnic communities with multiple cultural traditions living together inculcates tolerance, sharing, caring, and collective decisions in various situations and considered to be robust in overcoming tough situations. For inculcating value and concern for nature in our youth, value education targeted to promote harmony within the individual, among human beings, and with nature should be promoted. UNESCO Declaration on the Responsibilities of the Present Generations towards Future Generation states the present generation should ensure that both the present and future generation learn to live together in peace, security, respect for international law, human rights, and fundamental freedom. I remember former UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon once said that cultural diversity brings vital spiritual, social, and economic benefits, and insists youth to policy makers, religious leaders, journalists, entrepreneurs, and others who shape opinion to speak up for the spiritual, social, and economic wealth we derive from the cultural diversity. United Nations Goal 16 of the Sustainable Development is dedicated to the promotion of peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, the provision of access to justice for all, and building effective, accountable institutions at all levels. I would like to end here with a quote from Lao Tzu. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. And if you are at peace, you are living in the present. Thank you so much. I'm grateful to all the organizers, Dr. Arjuman and Ariba and her team, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.